Does this roller coaster reach a sea and stop the coasting?
Do you know a YouTuber that walks around in their bonnet the whole video? Hey YouTube, it's me Christiana. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to whenindoubtpink. Okay, it is the next day from the last video. I just felt like I wasn't done this weekend. I wasn't done filming this weekend. However, I had to wrap that last video up because I wanted to go out today. I started editing it last night and then I got really tired. And yeah, now it's the next day. I can't even believe how late I slept today. It's like past 10 o'clock, but also I guess it kind of makes sense because there was a black people party going on next door. There was a black people party going on next door and I want to be a part of the next one. I have no idea how I'm going to pull this off. Like, do I just go over there and knock on the door and be like, yeah, so I heard y'all last night, like, can I be down for the next gathering? Because this is like the third one they've had. I'm trying to be a part of the next gathering. They was having it last night, okay, period. Anywho, back to my damn business. I have been wanting some blueberry pancakes for a minute, and so I'm gonna make me some blueberry pancakes because I'm a queen and I deserve nice things. My lips look like Tyrone right now. That's all right, okay? But I'm gonna make my pancakes. I'll probably make some extra so I can have some for breakfast tomorrow. I need to finish editing my video from yesterday so that it can go up today, 3 o'clock. I want to put this damn couch together today. It's happening today, okay? Period. Then, oh, you know what too? I actually had plans to meal prep my food today. So actually in between, after I'm finished making my pancakes, I'm gonna come back in the kitchen and start to chop up my food and put things in the oven actually. I feel like I'm turning more and more into my mom every day. Like when I was little, she would like start Sunday breakfast, or not even little, like to this day, I'm sure she's probably at home right now in the kitchen. But like my mom always like started Sunday dinner, and it was never like an official Sunday dinner. She just always cooked on Sundays, and she'd be up mad fucking early and the food would be finished. Like the food would be finished before lunchtime. I'm really trying something new. Again, I'm like meal prepping, not in like a fitnessy way, but more in a way to try to help with food waste and to help myself with decision fatigue, which decision fatigue is just really me having a hard time deciding what I'm going to eat when I'm hungry, and then I don't always make the best choices because I can't make a hard decision. But if there's like food already ready with my name on it, it's like, oh well, that is dinner. That is lunch, you know. And also making it easier for myself as being a 9-to-5 girly who, like, you know, like, and it's funny because like I'm saying 9 to 5, but like I actually have to be in my seat at 8:30, and then like I commute to work and stuff like that. There's just like a lot of time that gets sucked up with work, and it just seems like it would make my life easier if my food was already ready.
Got too many things that I could say, can mess it up. I don't wanna love, just wanna touch. Am I too much for you? I've been waiting for sure. Should I got my issues? The push on baby, I just can't show. There's nothing wrong with
breakfast was banging. I keep thinking about the fact that I didn't make eggs and how I kind of wish I had made some eggs, but I think I'm gonna move past that now. Want to get my meal prep started really early. It's 11 o'clock, y'all, and it's already 80 degrees. And I saw that it's gonna go up to 88 today, and so I'm really glad that I did look at that and that I am planning to do this really early, because I do have the ACs in the window. My new landlord is like an angel. Like, he really makes sure that we all like have what we need, and it's really cool. So he came the other day and put all the units in the windows and stuff, which was really just really nice and different, you know, like, because usually I would have my brother come over and help me, because I always think I'm gonna drop the shit out the window. So I have AC. The oven's gonna do what it's gonna do regardless. So I'm glad I'm just getting started early. I do have to take these dishes out I gotta put these dishes away first, I think. Order of operations, but either way, things are happening. On the topic of food waste, my mom had brought me some vegetables like a week and a half ago. And I forgot all about them because I put the whole box in the refrigerator and I just like kept overlooking them and my brain forgot about them. But I think this zucchini is like the only thing in here that looks like I can still eat it. So I think I'm gonna chop this zucchini up and maybe put it in some rice or something.
These are the moments we bask in the blessings, the presence.
Okay, so it's 1 o'clock and all my food is cooked. I went ahead and chopped up all of my chicken. It's just gotta cool off now, and then I'm gonna make wraps and like pre-wrap them so that I can just grab it and go. And then I did some rice, the zucchini I was showing you, some onion and peppers in here to do like a just like a quick one bowl thing, and then I made some chickpeas, you know, just to eat. I like chickpeas, and I went ahead and cooked the broccoli. Doing really good. I think I'm gonna have me an iced coffee and then get to editing my video now. I finished editing. It's exporting right now. And I really think I'm going to make my 3 o'clock deadline because I really try to post Sunday, Wednesday, 3 p.m. Don't hold me to that, but that's been my pattern for a little while now. So I'm happy to be done with this.
For my lessons and marvel at the times when we ain't choose aggression. Float on the beat like butterfly. What could I say that Ali ain't said? 10 toes down on the ground, painted red, in the streets filled with lead. I thank God for my bed. Look, tell them these notes here give us hope. And if you ask the people in the pews, it's the antidote. I wipe my worries in a prayer, then I let it go. Got in my vegetables, you know how the record go. I know them niggas sang a song and tore down Jericho. Just that Mary had a baby in a carriage float, born of the water and light. That's the thing alone that made the spirit ignited the sound while the blessings bring it down.
I know that if you knew me, you'd say you came so far. I know I still have far to go. It's time to raise the
bar. So I'm sitting here eating my wrap, being a child of God, okay, and I'm also uploading my video that I'm about to upload. I'm uploading my video that you would have seen by now, and I need to make a thumbnail actually. But anyway, so I open up the YouTube, and I see that Vivica A. Fox is still begging 50 Cent to get back with her. I just feel like, girl, you're Vivica A. Fox. You shouldn't have to beg nobody to get with you. But also it made me feel like 50 Cent must got ding-a-ling. Can I say that? It made me feel like 50 Cent must really got ding-a-ling, that she's like obsessed, because this is not the first time I've heard that she's like publicly said that he was like the best lover, or like the best love she ever had, and that she would be open to rekindling. But girl, like, I'm sure you have his phone number, right? It's getting weird, and I just feel like we're like collectively as women people, we're like in this space where we like, I think there's just a lot of discussions on the dynamics between men and women, and it's just not a good look, especially for somebody at her status and stature to be begging some man to like get back with her. I don't know, those are my thoughts.
Don't you play with my heart, I promise won't play with yours. If you're cool, then I'm down the road, so I'ma meet you at yours. You knew me, or you thought you knew. Don't you try to fool me, looking so amused. Or they tried to use me, nothing to prove. But I got a few things that I'm about to do, so let's eat.
You could lift your soul, scarred, 'cause I'm fighting for you.
Oh my, what a sight when you change your environment. Might just kick on my shoe.
We could sing the same songs when I'm right next to you.
Sweet melodies that I hear on the beach sound sweeter kicking with you.
I'm focused on intention, moving right on this mission. Gotta make hard decisions. It's easy and true to me.
It's easy and true if you decide. No need to prove what's on your mind. But maybe we'll be sitting all gold if we chase to reach our goals. I know that if you knew me, you'd say.
Hello, it's editing me. Sorry for the bad quality. I'm sitting in the dark editing this video. Yeah, so I want to talk about this damn couch, okay? Because this joint came with the worst freaking instructions. Like, and I've put a lot of furniture together in my day, okay? This was like the worst set of instructions, and I literally found the arms to the chair by accident. Like, actually, like, you won't see this, but I was sitting on the floor for like a half hour on the computer trying to order extra parts that I thought I didn't get because I couldn't find the arms to the damn chair. Come to find out, they were inside of the couch, literally, and that's why it was like so heavy, because like literally they folded the whole couch up inside of itself. And I almost never found the arms. Like, I literally found them by accident. There was nothing on any of the instructions saying like, oh, if you unzip the bottom, there's where you will find the arms to the chair. I was like really, really disappointed for a hot minute. Because, you know, like, I want to sit on my pink couch. Like, I want to be able to be one and done and over with. And I really thought I was going to have to wait for more pieces to come in, and that was going to be a whole thing. And then I found the damn arms. I was big mad, but also very happy.
So far, I know I still have far to go. It's time to raise the bar, so don't you play with my heart. I promise won't play with yours. If you're cool, then I'm down the road, so I'ma meet you at yours.
I'm finished. This shit took me so long. It's hours later. It's 7 o'clock, okay? Hours later. But I did it. She's soft. I feel like the camera isn't picking up the exact hue, but she's soft. The baby gonna tear this couch up. I literally had pulled a piece out the box and she walked right up to it and started scratching it. It's a wrap. Consider this already busted. I love it though. It's so pretty. I really love it so much. It's not that comfortable, but I'm gonna like, you know, zhuzh it eventually with cushions and things, and I think it'll be fine. It's really big. I don't think it translates on the camera how big it is, but she's big or long. Okay. And obviously I still kind of have a ways to go in here with putting stuff away, but I'm taking my time. I do things when I have the strength or the energy, but we're getting through. I just like put my TV up over here because there's this empty space where I'm assuming they were putting their TV before. I had it up on the mantle, but it seemed kind of unstable. I really wish I could put it on the wall right here. I'm gonna try to work on him about that with my landlord. I think I want to watch a scary movie now. I was watching Justin Choice the other day and he was saying how the movie Smile was actually scary, and so now I have to see for myself, okay? If you know, you know, I love scary movies. I don't know why I choose to watch them alone before bed, okay? It's like 8:30 right now. But I think I'm gonna enjoy my new couch. I'm gonna watch a movie and probably eat a bowl of my rice that I have in the microwave that's ready now. Yeah, thank you so much for being here. Like, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting the last video, because I've been getting the comments in and the likes and stuff, and it just makes me feel really warm about like taking the risk of moving channels like that. And to see that people are engaging with me and like feeling the kid, thank you. Thank you. I will see you in the next video. Bye. Yo, I can't have nothing. 10 seconds and I already spilled water on the damn couch.